Indian Air Force has pressed its transport and helicopters into service for rescue and relief operations after a cloudburst incident near the cave shrine of Amarnath in Jammu and Kashmir. At least 16 people have died in the cloudburst incident that took place on Friday evening. Indian Air Force has pressed its transport and helicopter assets into service for rescue and relief operations at Amarnath. Mi-17V5 helicopters have inducted NDRF and civil administration personnel at Panchtarni and rescued 21 survivors. The helicopters have also brought back 6 mortal remains. Further operations by IAF, Mi-17V5 and Cheetal helicopters are in progress. Aircrafts are on standby at all major air bases in Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh areas, IAF said in a statement.